Hey guys, today we're back with another Jade's Vlogs, and today I'm gonna be basically putting scent in my slime. If you're not watching this video, then you better click on this video and watch it. Let me get my slime switched. Wait, I'll be right back. So you guys, I'm gonna get my scent that I have. And I have so much scent. I missed one. But I'm going to show you my scents. And my scents are very cherry. And then I've got bubble gum. Very vanilla. That's 3. Then I've got lip shimmer. It came in like a lip balm thing, so it's gonna be like, I don't know what this shimmer thing is, so yeah, basically that's what it is. This empty, almost. This one like that too. Yeah, almost. These are like almost empty. No idea. And then this one's empty. This is perfectly pomegranate scent. And then which ones did I miss? Did I miss any? No, I have 3 more. So the next one is Magic Melon. And then I've also got Cool Coconut. This one's not even like almost done. And then I've got teal food coloring. So basically the teal is just food coloring. So I've got 3, 6, 7, 8. I've got 8. So the first one that I'm going to start with is going to be this blue slime. Oh yeah, and I've also got glitter just in case. But it says glitter basically. That's what it just says. See, glitter. It's white glitter. It's like frozen glitter. So, I've got my blue slime. And I'm going to show you how it works. Right here. I'm going to show you. Let's get here. Ooh, that wasn't meant to happen. And I've also got my GoPro, but I'm not using my GoPro today. See my GoPro. So yeah, that's just. And this slime is kind of sticky. My friend made this slime for me, so this is like the best slime too. Gonna click it for you to see that. Ooh, I like the way it clicks in. Stretch it. Whoa. It actually got stuck to the chair. Let's twirl it now. So this is how good it stretches. And, oops, that was so bad. What am I doing? That's my question. That was a bad twirl. But this is how people do it. They stretch it like this. They don't pop it when they're doing this. So they do that. They do this. How many ever times? They do that. They bring it into a swirl, and they swirl it, and then you leave it like that, and then you go. That's a trick, guys, that I didn't show you in my slime video. But this is a really good slime. So anyway, let's just put our scent in here. And the scent that I want to put is probably going to be the cherry one. So I love the cherry. Let's put it. I think it makes it red. I have no idea, but it's hard to squeeze. I haven't smelled this actually. We'll smell it after. Wait. It smells like bubble gum. Like, why would they put it in here when it smells like bubble gum? That's my question. Well, if you don't know, this is for like a project thingy. So make sure you subscribe, like this video. Comment down below what's your favorite slime and what's your favorite scent out of all of them. And comment down below. Make sure you turn on your notification bell down there, right in that corner, right there by the subscribe button. And yeah, just make sure you do all that stuff. And you click the notification button, like I said, to basically see when I post videos. This has a good scent to it. Oh my god, it actually smells like cherries in the first. When you're mixing it, it smells so good. So yeah, that's my cherry one. And then, oh my god, this glitter is actually so pretty. I didn't even care about the colors. So next is my one only slime, I guess. It's not very... Okay, so this is how stretchy it is. I mean, it's really good. The only thing I used was glitter glue. Yeah, I only use glitter glue and activator. If you don't know what activator I use, I actually use laundry detergent. See, this is what they do. Look, it's actually a plastic popping, but can this? She's in my room. Okay, so this is, I'm not gonna stretch because look how long.
Lexi, come on, come eat. Come on.
Okay, so.
Come on, fatty.
So, 12. You don't know that. Where's my dog in my uncle? I just came. Yeah. So, time to put a scent in here. It's gonna be good, but let's just put a scent. Ooh, I got a perfect scent for this one. Let's put a bubble gum in it. We're gonna put a bubble gum in you. Ooh, it's really rare. Wow, it smells so good, guys. Let's smell it. I know it's like so weird. Oh, it smells like cinnamon. It smells so good. Okay, so now, oh yeah, if you want to see my video from Fortnite, no, you have to comment down below because I'm going to post a video today again about Fortnite. Because I'm going to be playing with my friend Sebastian. Say Sebastian 10 times. Sebastian. I can't. Sabby. I don't know. But I can smell it and it smells like an horchata. Comment down below if you know what horchata is. It smells so good. It stinks like bubblegum. I'm just kidding. It's supposed to. But a good thing, we have some hand sanitizer. Oh my god. Okay. My GoPro, I'm about to turn it on for the what do you call it? I'm gonna turn it on for the footage so you can get the close-up footage from the Fortnite game. I'm thirsty, sorry guys. But yeah. So I'm sorry, it's just so funny. And then my favorite, not really my favorite, but kind of my favorite, is this slime. It's very stretchy. I'm gonna give you a set of slime and whatever how you say it. Correct me, please. No hate, just correct me because I have no idea how you say it. Oh wow. I mean, it's not that good, but we need some to get it off the lid a lot because I'm just trying to roll that with you guys. I've been on my own since 17 years old. You know what? You know that I love you, bro. I love you. Cheese, guys. Cheese. Why am I saying cheese? Do you want to come in here, Lex? Hold on, guys. Come on, Lex. Come on. Go. Oh. Failed. Mission failed. Okay. So. Yeah, I'm gonna let you know it. And this. Now the scent that we're going to put in here. Is going to, actually we're not going to put no scent, or should we? Yeah, we're going to put the cool coconut. My favorite one when it's running out already. I think they're all like that because I haven't used any of these. Yeah, I think they only give you a small amount, but that's so weird. Wow, it actually puts a lot of glitter in here because there's a lot of glitter. Oh my god, it smells like coconut. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry guys. Oh, it smells so good. So, if you don't know this already, but my birthday is coming up. Whoa, that's cool, guys. Whoa, but look at all this glitter on my table. My dresser. Ready? So satisfying. Then we're going to twirl it inside of its container. Here we go. Oops, missed it. We got good footage of that then. Good. Great. Okay, that's not good. How about we just put it like a normal person? So, you know, get it non-stuck on your hand. In a minute, catch me reacting to my videos after this video, but look at the second one. This one's my favorite because look at the bottom. Yo, it's just me. You got me on the chat. That's right, I'm on the always spot. Dude, this one's my satisfying one ever. Look, ready? Look at this. Lex, come here, Lex. Dude, it's so Hi. Let's not talk and see if you can hear this. Ready? So that is the end of my video. I'm not going to actually put scent in here because it's this slime because it's so sticky. So yeah, but thank you for watching so much. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, do all that stuff that I told you. Again, peace. Wait, it's not a magic trick. 3, 2, 1, peace.